Welcome back to part 2 of our tire mileage warranty exploration on Easy Driver. In this segment, we'll delve even deeper into maximizing your warranty benefits. If you missed part 1, be sure to check it out. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more expert insights on tire care and automotive tips. Let's continue our journey towards safer and more efficient driving. Proper tire inflation and rotation. Maintaining the correct tire inflation is crucial for maximizing tire lifespan and improving fuel efficiency. Underinflated tires can cause excessive wear on the edges, reducing their longevity, while overinflated tires may wear out more in the center. Regularly check your tire pressure using a reliable gauge and inflate them to the manufacturer's recommended levels. Additionally, rotating your tires on a regular basis helps to distribute tire wear more evenly, extending their lifespan. Most tire manufacturers advise rotating tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles, but you can always consult your owner's manual or tire manufacturer's recommendations for the specific rotation pattern suitable for your vehicle. Regular tire inspections. Performing regular tire inspections is another essential step in maximizing your tire mileage warranty. Regularly check your tires for signs of wear, such as uneven tread wear, bulges, cuts, or punctures. Inspecting your tires visually can help you identify potential problems early on and prevent them from escalating. Furthermore, pay attention to any vibrations, pulling to one side, or changes in your vehicle's handling, as these may indicate tire issues. If you notice any abnormalities, it's important to have your tires inspected by a professional to address and resolve the problem promptly. Following manufacturer recommendations. To ensure optimal tire performance and longevity, it is crucial to follow the manufacturer's recommendations. Each tire brand and model may have specific guidelines for maintenance, rotation, and other important factors that affect warranty coverage. By adhering to these recommendations, you can have peace of mind knowing you are maintaining your tires properly and protecting your warranty. Moreover, following the manufacturer's recommendations regarding tire size, speed rating, load capacity, and any other specifications is essential. Using tires that are not the correct size or have different specifications than what the manufacturer recommends can lead to premature wear and potential safety hazards. By properly inflating and rotating your tires, conducting regular inspections, and adhering to manufacturer recommendations, you can maximize the lifespan of your tires and get the most out of your tire mileage warranty. Taking these proactive steps will save you money in the long and ensure your safety on the road. Remember, proper tire maintenance is the key to unlocking the full benefits of your tire mileage warranty. Common misconceptions about tire mileage warranty. When it comes to tire mileage warranties, there are some common misconceptions that many people have. We will here debunk 3 of the most prevalent misconceptions surrounding tire mileage warranties. All tires are covered for the same mileage. Contrary to popular belief, not all tires are covered for the same mileage under a tire mileage warranty. Each tire manufacturer sets their own mileage limits based on the specific tire model and its intended use. Therefore, it is important to carefully read the warranty information provided by the manufacturer to understand the exact coverage you can expect. Remember, choosing tires with a higher mileage warranty does not necessarily guarantee better performance or longevity. Warranty covers tire failure due to road hazards. Some people mistakenly assume that a tire mileage warranty will cover any damage or failure resulting from road hazards. However, most tire warranties specifically exclude such events from their coverage. Road hazards, such as punctures, cuts, impact damage, or sidewall damage caused by debris on the road, are typically considered external factors beyond the tire manufacturer's control. Therefore, it is essential to understand that a tire mileage warranty typically covers defects in materials and workmanship, rather than damage caused by road hazards. Warranty covers wear and tear. Another common misconception is that the tire mileage warranty will cover normal wear and tear of the tires. Unfortunately, this is generally not the case. Tire warranties are designed to protect against manufacturing defects and premature tire failure under normal driving conditions. Regular wear and tear, such as tread wear due to regular use, is considered normal and expected. It is important to maintain proper tire maintenance, including regular rotation and alignment, to ensure optimal tire performance and longevity. Tips for choosing tires with a good mileage warranty. When it comes to purchasing tires, one of the key factors to consider is the mileage warranty. A good mileage warranty ensures that you will get the most out of your investment and enjoy a long-lasting performance. Here we will explore some essential tips to help you choose tires with a good mileage warranty, including researching tire brands and models, reading customer reviews and ratings, and consulting with tire professionals. Researching tire brands and models. Before making a decision, it's crucial to conduct thorough research on different tire brands and models available in the market. Some brands are well known for their durability and longevity, while others may not have the same reputation. Look for brands that have a strong track record of producing tires with high mileage warranties. Additionally, consider the specific tire models within each brand. Different models may have varying mileage warranties, even within the same brand. Look for models that have a reputation for providing excellent mileage and durability. Online tire retailer websites and manufacturer websites are great resources for finding detailed information about tire brands and models. Reading customer rating and reviews. Customer reviews and ratings provide valuable insights into the performance of tires. Look for reviews from customers who have used the specific tire models you are considering. Pay attention to their feedback on the mileage they were able to achieve with those tires. Positive reviews mentioning long-lasting tread life and high mileage are indicators of a good warranty. Furthermore, consider the ratings assigned to the tires by industry experts and independent testing organizations. These ratings often include information on tread wear and mileage performance. Tires that receive high ratings in these categories are more likely to have a good mileage warranty. Consulting with tire professionals. Seeking advice from tire professionals can be beneficial when searching for tires with a good mileage warranty. Local tire shops and mechanics who specialize in tires can provide expert recommendations based on your specific needs and driving habits. They can help you navigate through the options available and guide you towards brands and models that offer the best mileage warranties. We have seen that tire professionals can also provide insights on other factors to consider, such as the type of driving you do, climate conditions, and road surfaces. By understanding your individual requirements, they can help you select tires that offer both a good mileage warranty and optimal performance. In conclusion, the tire mileage warranty is an essential aspect to consider when purchasing new tires for your vehicle. It provides you with peace of mind and financial protection in case your tires wear out prematurely. By understanding the terms and conditions of the warranty, you can make informed decisions and choose tires that offer the best coverage for your specific needs. Remember to regularly rotate and maintain your tires to maximize their lifespan and ensure that you comply with the warranty requirements. So, before you make your next tire purchase, take the time to research and compare different warranty options to make the most of your investment. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more videos.